Let's do an impromptu video today. I really hate digging holes here. I need to find the pick. And I wonder why things don't want to survive in my yard. Maybe it's because I chop its roots off and put it in too shallow of a hole. What is this? Just like clay and rock? I'm gonna go outside and plant some new plants in the ground because our tomato plants died because it got too cold and it was late in the season, but they froze. So I got some new ones and we're gonna go throw them in the ground. Sometimes I just feel so tired and I think, do you really want to do this today? Yes, I do. I will be happy in a little bit once I get it done, I think. Gotta get our boots on. All right, let's go. So this is really sad. I think I have probably $400 of bulbs in here, and I think most of them are dead. I didn't get them in the ground soon enough. I have them over here because the plan is to just throw them in here and see what happens. And then over here, I got these new plants. And the plan is to put them in the ground in front of that house. It's the well house. These are dead, but I don't know why they're here. I think Jason thought maybe they could be replanted. See you in a little bit, Tank. The boys always drive me in the golf cart. I think I can do it. I just honestly, I don't even know. Oh, we just push on the go. Okay. Oh, my water's gonna spill. Ah. Okay, got this. Here we go. I think the thing is I don't know how to back it up. I don't think I need to. Oh. As long as the Red Bull doesn't fall out, we'll be okay. Oh. Whoa. All right. See, they were looking so beautiful and then they froze. And yeah, maybe they'll come back. I mean, looks like there's some growth on this one, but I mean, why chance it? So I bought new ones. And then these are the sunflowers. So these ones we started indoors under the grow lights. And then these ones we just threw out seed. So they look like they're doing well. And then that's the corn. And it looks like it's coming up pretty well too. And then I did get these obelisks, that's how you say it, at the garden store in the last couple weeks. And then I thought these would be really pretty to climb up them. So I did get 2 of these. So I guess I should put those in the ground as well. I think all of our cucumbers died in the freeze, unfortunately. We'll need to plant new ones. And then I had this amaranth, that's how you say it, going over here, and I think it all froze too. Very sad. But the lavender pots with the strawberries look like they're doing good. These were a unique variety that did pink flowers, which I thought was really cool, and they do strawberries. I haven't tried them yet. The berry beds are still looking good. And then here's all of the dahlia that we planted. So I'm sure they'll start to pop up in the next couple months. And the orchard is looking good. Here's our wasabi. So I think it's looking okay. And then we have like some red lettuces, which look happy. I don't know what this is. I don't remember, and I don't see a tag. But these look like all of our onions. So those look good. Then I don't really know what happened over here. Something definitely died. Oh, these were our peppers. That's right. The peppers are dead. The basil died as well. So I'll have to get some new basil. It really shouldn't have been a problem to put the plants in the first week of April, because here in California, normally the weather is definitely warm enough, but we got this really freak cold spell that came in late, and I mean, I wasn't against it because I love the rain and I just love cool weather, but Obviously the tomatoes, the peppers, basil, some of those warmer crop things did not like it. All right, I'll probably plant those and get the new tomatoes in.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other.
All right, so I just finished getting the tomatoes in the ground. Let's see what I planted. I forgot to show you what I bought. Okay, so we have another red cherry. We have this one called a black crim. I have this one, which is an heirloom Prudence purple, and see what comes out of it. I hope lots of different colored tomatoes. A bull's heart, a celebrity, and aroma. Now let's get these planted. These are a full or partial sun parasol. It looks really pretty. I don't know if this is a great location for it, but I just wanted to see them grow pretty on these obelisks. We might have to move them eventually.
Come tend the garden with me. We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown.
All right, so here's our first one in. I think it's gonna be happy here. I think it'll look really pretty when you come in and it's all like growing up. But then I thought maybe I shouldn't do this second one here because maybe I can go and do cucumbers on this perhaps. So I'm gonna drag this back over to the house and see if I can put it on the well house. Also exciting news, this weekend we get our bees, so they're gonna go in here, and Jason has ordered all the things to do the electric fencing around this because we have bears and they'll apparently break in here and destroy our bees. Okay, so we're done in the garden area. Let's go over to the well house and see if we can get some things in the ground so that they're happier, you know. I always feel bad when I buy a bunch of stuff and then it just like sits and then it dies, which does happen more than I'd like to admit. Oh, and this is exciting. The dogwood is blooming out. It looks so pretty. One day we'll have more of these. Well house, what to do? Tank came out to help me, huh Tinky? Yeah, you're gonna help me? Okay, so I put these plants here. They kind of look like a hydrangea, but they're not. They're called a common snowball, but they are deciduous, spring blooming shrub, 12 inches with large puffy white blooms, and then striking red foliage color, and they're sun, and they're hardy to -30. So these I think will be really cool right here, and they'll get big and they'll block that. Although we are going to be getting rid of that soon.
Since I was a child, when I was young and wild, nobody could ever tell me there was nothing to overwhelm me. I thought I was cool.
I really hate digging holes here. It's so hard. I need to find the pick, but I'm too lazy to go find it, so I just keep using the shovel. Okay, I got one hole done. I'm gonna throw it in. I hope you're hardy enough to live here. I think you are. Okay. I'm so tired. Okay. Let's put in some more dirt. See, these are the kinds of rocks I just find everywhere. Clay and crazy rocks. And I know I didn't get it deep enough. I know. You know what? Maybe to help with the fact that I didn't get it deep enough, let's just tear off its bottom roots. Let's just get those up so we can go deeper. Oh, it's so annoying. I wish I could just, I don't know where this root goes, but you're in my way. Okay. Just chop off some of its bottom. Just get off. Okay, so we gave it a little haircut, so now it'll fit, hopefully, better, and I don't have to dig such a deep hole, and I think it'll be strong enough to fight for life. Stronger than me for sure. Okay, just get in there. And I wonder why things don't want to survive in my yard. Well, maybe it's because I chop its roots off and put it in too shallow of a hole in clay and rock and hope magically it wants to live and survive. Don't you? Do you want to imagine? What is this? Just like clay and rock? Is there any dirt? It wants dirt. Tank, do you think it's gonna be happy here? Do you think it's gonna live? What do you think? I think it's durable enough. Oh my gosh, I feel tired. I think we have to find a pick for the next hole. So I never found a pick, but I did find like those skinnier shovels, you know, this thing. I think this will help me chisel out the dirt for the next hole. And I found fertilizer. You ready to do this, Tank? One more to go. Oh my goodness, I do not know what is up with me these last couple weeks. I've just felt totally out of it, tired. Doesn't matter how much Red Bull, how much B12, how much sleep. I'm just exhausted. But I got them done, so I feel really satisfied with the fact that I got all the plants in. That other like flowering one that we put in the garden, I got it in next to the well house. Even though the well house will eventually come down, I just thought, well, I don't know when that's going to happen, so we'll just plant it there and let it grow on it. Hopefully it'll look nice. I think these snowball plants are going to be happy there, even though I didn't give them the best planting job, but I don't know why I do that. I'm like, I'm going to give you the worst planting job ever, and I expect you to do well. So we'll see. Anyways, thanks for joining me today on this video, this very impromptu video that I decided to do, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Are you gonna get in with me? Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're gonna go up. Don't jump off. You're gonna stay there? Being a good boy? All right. Do you want a tanky treat? You can get a tanky treat when we get up here, okay? I know, it'll be so yummy for you. Ah! My water! Okay, Tinky, we're home.